Today we finished some of the jibbing, and it's a big day for us because today we get to set the cabinets in place for the kitchen. So we've done a little bit of work. Let's go have a look. It's all the plumbing we had to deal with before. So let's get this last bit of jib on, and then we'll get some cabinets in place. We've finally finished the plumbing for the kitchen piece. And here's another little trick we learned a long time ago. Take photos of all of the walls open with a tape measure against them. That way you know where all the surfaces are in the wall for later on.
So that you avoid the problem that we had when we took this wall off. Remember in, I think, episode 1 where we showed you that the nail had gone right through the pipe. I'll
show you how we do it. So literally we just hold the tape measure up and take a photo. And the beauty is you can easily make out the
measurement,
where the measurement is. Ready for cabinets, let's go. It's a very rare day when you lose your wife at Bunnings. Let's see if we can find her. No. No. Ah, yeah, there she is. Time for the kitchen cabinets to go, and first things we're going to do is we're going to put the upper cabinets along the top. We just spent the last hour or so test fitting again, making sure the measurements are right. So we're going to shoot some level lines on the wall, put a railing up so we can set the cabinets on it. So, the base cabinet is probably the hardest one. This is how I'm leveling the kitchen. What I have here is a laser. I've set my laser up over there. And it's set, for the whole day it's been set at exactly the same spot. And then I marked the block, and I marked where the line on the block was relative to where it was sitting on the counter. And then pretty much all you do is put the block on every corner, put the block on every ledge, and make sure that the laser line's running through the ledge. And all you do is wind the legs. Of course, I also check it with my actual real just fit that cabinet, and gotta fit the rest of them. These ones, it's really painful. You have to try it, like level it 50 times.
It's painful to watch, trust me.
Oh. gets quite rewarding after a while. All the checking, rechecking, when you get this sort of stuff in, you finally start to see why you were doing it all. It's awesome. Eddie, what you doing?
Just unpacking.
Can't help herself. Just has to see how it'll look. These are the side panels for the dishwasher inset. Little trick, you don't actually have to put an entire panel in this side. You only need to put a panel on the bit you see. So we just cut up one of these little kick panels and we use those. So I just took one off each end, so we get the nice that on the bottom. And the cut end you never see because it's underneath the bench top.
Job site's a good job site.
She's moving in. I haven't even finished the kitchen yet. Here she comes. The fridge is coming in. She'll be cooking dinner next.
How's this?
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a kitchen. It has taken us from about 9:30 this morning. This is so it's Monday, it's Labor Day. This is our idea of celebrating the 40-hour working week.
10 to 7.
There you go, another all dayer. So there you go. Let's have a look.
Got a hair.